Welcome to the kitchen. I go by Gino. You know, if you call me Glenn, don't. Today, we're going to take something simple. Your regular old home noodles. We're going to take a little shrimps. We're going to do some gourmet things with it. Who knows what we're going to make? I don't know yet. But I have some water boiling. We're going to start the... my water, I don't want it to, you know, get dry and everything. Please keep your gloves on when you're cooking. Change them out frequently. Corona. Like I said in my last video. Corona. Thank you. I'm gonna take these simple noodles. I'm just gonna add the water to them right now. The agua. Part 2, the sequel. Alright, now we're having a submerged part. Always clean up behind yourself. Nobody likes cleaning up behind somebody else. I know I don't. I'm gonna let these sit. Let me get 1 second. Piece of plastic. We're gonna cover these so they can get a little warm. Stay warm. Cook. About 4 or 5 minutes, we're gonna come back and get to those. I know you're like, gee, you haven't said any veggies yet. What veggies are you going to cut? So, I'm thinking red peppers, tomatoes, onions. We don't get cooked, we cook. Remember that. We have those drained. Boom. Boom. Full flame. See that? Fire. You doing that DT on flowers shoulder shot? Cover our shrimp. Pause it a little bit. Yeah, yes sir. Blue boy. Took the top off, dripping like hot sauce, okay? Into the noodle mix. You know? You take something simple and you make it gourmet. So lastly, second to last, I want to add a garnish on the end. Remember I said take the top off, dripping like hot sauce. Here's the sauce. This was recommended from our camera woman to add a little parm on top. And I think they'll probably go great with this. So. Okay, make love to it. So, and lastly, we're going to add a little cilantro. Another masterpiece made by Gino. Stay tuned, you know, because I'm going to challenge more folks to cook. And we're going to do little cook-offs and things of that nature. After all the making, let's get a taste test of our shrimp noodle dish. Make sure we get everything in there, get our veggies, everything. Yeah. Slapper. It's bomb. This is amazing. Thank y'all for tuning in. You know, give me a like, smash the like, hit the subscribe button. We're doing these often. Woo! That's good. Hey, y'all was on it? Alright. It's good. Alright, see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna finish this.
part of the song where I start getting all of my raps off. All the pressure that they put on me, I won't back off. Nobody is getting to me, nah nigga, not at all. You niggas wanna be detective, but you're more like Matlock. Wanna know too much, asking too much questions. You